Customizing client-facing statuses. TaxDome enables you to customize client-facing job statuses, providing control over the level of transparency you want to maintain and how you communicate with your clients. To customize them, go to Templates. Firm Templates in the left menu bar, then select Client-Facing Job Statuses. From there, you can edit an existing status or create a new one. Let's create one as an example. Click Create Status, choose a color, name it Waiting for Documents, and add a description such as, "This status means we are waiting for clients to provide documentation. The process cannot continue until they take action." This way, clients clearly understand that the next step is on their side. You can also arrange the order of statuses by moving them up or down, which determines how they appear in the drop-down menu. To delete a status, simply click the trash can icon on the right. Once your statuses are set up, they will be available as predefined options wherever statuses can be applied, for example on a job card. When selected, the associated color and description will appear automatically. As a tip, avoid creating multiple statuses that differ only by description. Instead, use a predefined status and adjust its description for individual cases. These changes won't affect the original template.